You ever notice how price changes perception? A $50 sketch and a $5,000 painting could come from the same artist, same hand, same mind, but one seen as practice and the other seen as art. That's because price isn't just a number, it's communication. It tells people how seriously to take you. If Apple priced their phones based on material cost, no one would line up for them. Value isn't about the parts, it's about the belief. And that's where most artists get caught. We're told from the start that art is a passion, not a profession. So we undercharge, we take exposure as payment. We feel guilty for asking for money for something that we enjoy doing. And worst of all, we start setting our own worth based on what other people think they can afford. That's not creative freedom, that's survival, disguised as humility. But here's the truth, price is power. It's not about greed, it's about respect. Charging more isn't about inflating your ego, it's about honoring the hours, the skill, and the years it took to get good. It filters out bad clients, it forces you to level up, treat your work seriously, and create systems around your art that keep you sustainable. Because the right clients want to pay you. They want to pay more. They're buying trust, not just talent. So if you want to start pricing your art the right way, here's how to begin. First, build tiered options. Offer different levels of quality or detail so clients can pick what fits their budget without devaluing your art. Second, factor in everything beyond the drawing board. Your prep time, revisions, communication, and delivery, that's part of your labor too. And third, set a minimum baseline, a number you'll never go under. It keeps your work consistent, your mindset confident, and your time respected. Because the moment you start valuing your art, the world follows. I hope you guys found some value in today's video. It's a topic that is close to many contractors, starving artists, independent thinkers, entrepreneurs' hearts, value, pricing, and how we can make that process a little bit simpler. Frankly, it's all mindset, but it's also perception, and you control the narrative. So if you guys like today's video, comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.